My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Bmw X1. This vehicle was done just under 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access multimedia, radio, smartphone integration, navigation, contacts, connected drive, vehicle information and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.